Today, I'm going to give you the truth about the US Bank Shield credit card so you know if it is worth it. The US Bank Shield credit card is designed for people who are new to credit or rebuilding their credit history. It requires a refundable security deposit, which becomes your credit after all. That. Once you get the card, as you can see, these are the benefits that you will get. You will get a low intro APR for 24 billing cycles. As you can see, 0% intro APR on purchases and balances transfers for the 24 billing cycles. After that, it will go between either 17.74% or 28.74%. The card is simply zero annual fee, making it a budget-friendly option while you work on improving your credit, as you can see right here. It has some benefits like 4% cash back on prepaid air, hotels, and car reservation booked directly in the reward center when you use your card. And there is a $20 annual statement credit, so you can earn a $20 on your statement credit for 11 consecutive months of purchase. However, it doesn't earn many rewards as you've seen, simply 4% on cash on certain things. So its primary purpose is to simply help you establish a positive credit history rather than earn cash back or travel perks. If your goal is to build credit safely and at low cost, the US Bank Shield credit card is a strong option.